Hello and welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we are going to be putting this design on a shirt. This is a design that I already had saved. I will try and link this in the description box so that if you want to do it, it'll already be made for you. So I started with the screen at 50% so that you could see the whole image. Because it's too big and it's going on a bigger size shirt, so I had to make the design big, which I still will be resizing it. But yes, so as you can see, I have two colors here, the blue and the black. I'm actually cutting it on a black shirt, so the blue will be white vinyl, but when you put it as white, it's harder to see. But the black part will be gold. So I'm just gonna take a couple seconds to go ahead and resize this to make everything a little bit bigger, because this is going on a plus size shirt. I believe a 2X or 3X. So I want it to not be so small on a bigger shirt. Also right here, I'm just changing it to say great grandmother. Because it's not for someone's mother, it's for a great grandparent. But yeah, so once you download this or open it in Design Space, you will be able to resize it. I just kind of go with my instincts, so I can't really give you, the best measurements for whatever size shirt you're wearing. I don't have a set, size. But I just do what I think will look good. But for the bigger sizes, like the 2X, 3X, 4X, excuse me, for those bigger sizes, you want to make sure your words are definitely bigger, because you don't want it the same size as you would put on a size medium shirt. So here I'm just changing the words wings and heart and that bottom line in memory of to a gold light color. As I explained, that will be cut on gold vinyl. Honestly, you don't have to do this. You're just going to cut it on whatever vinyl you're going to use. And of course, it's going to be that color. But, for the purposes of this video and to help people who are so new to this, it helps you kind of understand better. Again, that blue is going to be cut on white vinyl, but if I turned it white, it'll be harder to see. So I'm going to leave that blue for the sake of the video. This isn't necessarily a design I would recommend for a beginner, because I do not attach this or weld this. I do not have it ready to place on a shirt. All these words are individual words. So when I get ready to, put my design on the shirt, I have the word your. Have were ready as one, but my as one was not as one. Wings, heart, everything is separate. So I place them where I want them on the shirt. It's not super hard, but when you're new, it can be a little bit confusing. So with this one, I'd give it a level 2 or a level 3, because you kind of got to figure it out. Going to try and arrange it on my shirt. So because I'm using two colors, I don't bother to attach my image and make it come out in the way that I want to place it on the shirt. I just save as much vinyl as I can, so I just kind of cut it as close together as possible to save vinyl. And so once it's cut, I have the different strips and I have to place them where I want them. So I have all these different things. Here are my gold ones. so that if you guys wanted to try and make this, you could. But you're just gonna have to figure out to the best of your ability, or just however you choose to do it, how to place, you know, the design on your shirt. So there really is no right or wrong way. I'm just gonna place it the way that I normally do, I guess you could say. Okay, first I need to cut this. And I probably will fast forward through this because you're not going to actually see what I'm doing until the end. That stop messing with it.